Alright, I'm going to do a toolbox tour.
Socket drawer. Metric wrench drawer. Impacts and other stuff. There. So standard wrench drawer. Standard socket drawer. Different stuff in here. Something's missing out of there. Other, random stuff. Ball joint press. Oxygen sensor stuff. Oh. Wrenches and stuff. Electrical drawer. It has a bunch of testers and measuring devices. I have my roll cart. I kind of just, the other day, I grabbed one there, put in the roll cart. So those these are empty. They fill them up as I go. And there's some stuff to stay in there. There's my other toolbox. My second electrical drawer. It just has random stuff in there. Hammer, drill fork, and then a master disconnect tool. It's just kind of a junk kind of in there. Got random stuff in there. Yeah, random stuff in there. Was there a brake kit? Some, other stuff. Junk, just random stuff. Just kind of, I haven't really got much organized this with them. Oh yeah, what I was missing in that one drawer is the battery tester. This top, my two welding helmets, my coffee pot. This got my trailer tester. This has a bunch of gloves and welding jackets and stuff like that in there. I got two different air chucks. A table with a vise. This is my other little cart. It's got a bunch of brake, not brake, oil change stuff, oil wrenches, both of the wrenches and stuff. And we got another table over there for me to